Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech and make it super easy for you to navigate. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Modic from your Tangem wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your tokens quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps in the volatile crypto world. First off, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Tangem wallet set up with some Modic tokens in it. That's the Polygon network's native cryptocurrency. Make sure you also have a Bitmart account created and verified, as you'll be depositing there. Oh, and don't forget to have your device's security features enabled for extra protection. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your mobile device or connect your hardware wallet if you're using the physical version. Navigate to your dashboard and select the Modic token from your list of assets. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Bitmart account, log in, go to the deposit section, and copy the Modic deposit address. Paste that address into the Tangem wallet app. Double-check it to ensure there are no typos. One wrong character could send your tokens into the void. Step 3. Enter the amount of Modic you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to network upgrades, but always review them first. Once you're set, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security PIN or biometric verification. Step 4. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. On the Polygon network, this usually takes just a few minutes. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. Once it's confirmed, check your Bitmart account to see your Modic balance updated. A quick tip: always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to get comfortable. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, we've got you covered. Stay safe out there in the crypto space.